everyone and welcome to this channel. Today I will be doing my toddlers photo shoot in my in-home studio. I have a very simple setup. I chose this yellow color seamless backdrop that I ordered from Savage Universal. It is sand color, and next I use this chair from IKEA. I'm using this chair because I have to constrain my child from running away, and I will be using some of these flowers to match with this background, and she can hold them, she can smell, and yeah, so I'm thinking if she cooperates then these will be very beautiful shots. Okay, so let's start this photo shoot. Come here, come here. Very good. Have a seat. Okay, come here. Say hello to the camera. Urva, say hello to the camera. Hello camera.
Hello camera.
Wow. 이쁘다?
Oh.
Wow, beautiful.
Daddy. Daddy.
Mama ko देखे?
Daddy.
Look here.
Candy.
Okay, I will give you a candy.
Oh.
Wow, beautiful.
Oh.
One. Choose one.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Like
Okay. Very good.
Nope.
ऐसे मम्मा को देखे. Stand up, Yogi. Stand up. Okay, stand up. Thank you, Urva. Look at me.
Hello, Paco.
Urva, can you sit down?
Like no.
Okay, if you can stand here. Can you stand here? Okay, very good. Stand here.
공주야 어디 있니? 어디 있니 공주?
Can you dance? Urva, can you dance? Can you dance here?
That's like foot.
If you happy and you know it, clap your hand. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you
Come here.
angry, stomp your feet. If you're happy, turn around. If you're happy, close your eyes. Happy, touch your head. If you're happy, say hello.
Hello.
If you're happy, turn around.
Wow! Where's the camera? Is there a princess here? Urva, can you hold this?
Ah.
Cute.
अपनी कैंडी इसमें रख दो. कैंडी इसमें रख दो. कैंडी
우와, 이거.
उर्वा का खा방.
우와, 이거는 엄마 양가 시청에 가고 전에 이렇게 말했어요.
언니가 내가 올라갈게. 엄마가 언니 이렇게.
음.
잘 뭐가?
이쪽으로 와, 이쪽으로 와, 이쪽으로 와.
뭐양가?
여기 말해봐. 여기 스탠드업. 하나.
대박.
Let's speak.
엄마 양가 시청에 가고 전에 이렇게 말했어요.
오니야. 내가 똑똑히 게 다신다.
네, 알겠습니다, 어머님.
We just finished the photo shoot. My husband helped me. He was asking her to clap or twirl or dance, and she was very happy and she was smiling. She can act according to the stories, so it was very nice. It was not initially my plan. Then my husband gave her this basket and she holded it and she was like pretending as a princess. So it was quite good. I hope that you like this video. Please give a thumb up and subscribe to this channel. I will see you in my next video. Bye.